got the Maserati fired up. It had been sitting for over 2 weeks now. So I've had the Maserati sitting for over 2 weeks. And the thing about this car is to see if you let it sit longer than that, they recommend you keeping it with the battery tender because the voltage can get low. But it started up fine, no issues. And today's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna wash it, gonna go drive it. Last couple days it's been too cold. It's been raining. A couple days ago it snowed, so it's just been staying in the garage, and it needs a wash pretty bad. All that brake dust I got. Something about this brake pads, they only make it like 15,000 miles. That's when they were replaced the first time at 15,000. They're just the material that they use. But on some cases, like on an average vehicle, they could end up lasting, I've seen them up to 50,000-60,000 miles. I like using 2 buckets whenever I wash my cars, just because I don't want to keep putting the same dirty rag back in my clean soap, so I rinse it on another bucket. That way I don't get any contaminants and keep on scrubbing them in the paint. So that's why it's best to use 2 buckets. I like using a rag like this one that you can get over your hand, because that makes it a lot easier for you to be able to get to places like here in the grill, versus if you're using just some kind of sponge. So I bought new microfiber towels. I like to dry it, that way I don't get water stains. I think the Maserati logo is such a cool looking logo, and I really like this grille design. It just looks aggressive. I think this is one of the best looking car logo out there. The Trident. So yeah, I'm glad the weather's nice now. So I'll be making several more videos here in the next couple days on the Maserati and on the Corvette. So I'm really glad that the weather's looking good for the next couple days. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.